How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. My name's Shane Jaffe. I am the Manufactured Housing Expert. Right now, we're about to pull up to Sunkist. Sunkist is a 55 plus manufactured housing community in Anaheim. We're literally less than a mile from the Arrowhead Pond or the Honda Center, whatever it's called now. I always forget. And the Angel Stadium. So this is a great location. There's a lot of shopping, banks, restaurants, so much more. A beautiful community, has a swimming pool, clubhouse, jacuzzi. They have a lot of social activities, obviously not right now during COVID, but this is a great community to retire. HomeQuest has 3 homes available. So 2 of them are brand new. So what we're going to do is I'm going to introduce you again to Shane Chastain, who is my project manager, and he's going to be showing you these 3 homes. They will be in 3 separate videos. Otherwise, you won't watch them all. But remember, hit that like button. It helps out our channel. We're here for you. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified when we premiere future videos. We are going to be doing at least 2 new and pre-owned manufactured home tours every week. So we got a lot of cool stuff coming your way. Hit the subscribe button. Hope you like the video and enjoy these 3 tours. All right, now that we're here, the first home is right around the corner. So let's see if where Shane is. Shane Chastain. We'll be getting to him. But here is the first home that we're going to be showing you. It is a beautiful home. Chastain's going to give us more information, but take a look at that factory built front porch. It's beautiful. The roof pitch is something that you don't see very often, but it is becoming more popular. And look at the bay windows. All those windows, they're amazing. You're going to see how much natural light comes in. So let's see what Shane has to say about this home and what he's going to be showing us. Shane, what up, brother? Why don't you tell us what we got going on here? What home is this?
This is a Silver Crest Kb 61. It's a 28 in width, and then it's an offset home. We got it by a 57, 54 with a 6-foot front porch. So come on, let's go inside and take a look.
It's just under 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. They're large bathrooms.
While we're outside, it's got a pretty cool looking storage shed out here that I was just rummaging through as well.
There we go. Do you know what size that is? It's
That's 8 by 10.
8 by 10. There you go. Right here, we first come in through the utility room. Usually we take you around the front, but look at the overhead cabinets. Those are awesome. Side-by-side washer dryer.
Soft close cabinets as well.
A lot of storage space. Look at that. The cabinets don't bang. That's one thing that we love about Silvercrest. All of their cabinets are hardwood.
Walk-in pantry
with soft closing hinges. A very large pantry. This is nice if you have kids. This home is in a 55 plus community, but so we all want our food.
Not a ladder for the kids. We've experienced that at home. Not a ladder. With a light as well.
There you go. Let's go in.
Then we make our way into the kitchen area. White Whirlpool appliances. This is a real popular trend right now. A farmhouse kitchen sink. Stainless steel, lots of space, 12 inches deep. It's got a nice gooseneck faucet extension. Real classy look, really pops with the home.
Look at this bay window. One thing that I noticed is that all these stacked windows, take a look at how much natural light is in this home. At times it makes it difficult for you to see us because of the lighting. But take a look at that, the 9-foot flat coffered ceiling, Shane. Those are beautiful. A lot of our homes are ordered with 9-foot flat ceilings, and we like to add the coffer when we can. What you see in this one is the crown molding. So we did add crown molding throughout this entire home. So There you go, you have it. We added the white ceiling fan. It's spinning pretty quickly right now. But Shane, how many people could fit at this kitchen island? This is unbelievable. This is awesome.
You can fit between 5 and 6. You could put a bar stool. You could put 3 or 4 bar stools here, and then an additional bar stool at the opposite end.
I think you could probably fit 4 grandkids right here on this end, and then grandma and grandpa over there on.
Absolutely, no doubt.
There you go. So
the flooring is this. Out of our 20-some houses, this is personally my favorite. I just love this house. From the flooring to the ceiling, like Shane said, the 9-foot flats, the coffered ceiling just opens it up that much more. All the lighting, it's across the street from a Greenbelt, so if you have a little dog, it's a great place for your dog. It's quiet.
there you go. They even have a little bit of a dog park here, but that green belt goes all the way around. We'll turn around, wait till the end, and you're gonna see it. But also these pennant lights, like you were saying, Shane, what's really cool about this flooring is this is made out of PVC material. So they call it a water-resistant laminate flooring. If there is a leak or if it puddles, you don't have to worry about it ruining the flooring. Of course, you want to prevent any puddling and for long periods of time, but that is a benefit for this flooring. As you get one last angle. But over here, you could fit a table of 6 to 8, no problem.
Absolutely.
So, there you go. Now let's go back in the bedroom, Shane. This is how many bedrooms?
3 bedroom, 2 bath, with a coat closet. So you got a walk-in coat closet. Coat closet comes with additional flooring, along with additional paint. We always want to make sure we're taking care of our clients with some additional flooring and paint. So if they need some touch-up or something, if something happens, hey, they don't have to worry. We got it.
Then here is bedroom number 2 or 3, take your pick, but you can easily fit a queen comfortably.
You can fit a queen comfortably. If you got grandkids, you can fit even a bunk bed, so they all can stay in one room and make a grandkids room if you like. It's kind of like a hybrid walk-in closet.
It goes over there, so you know they're the standard size extra bedroom closet space. And then over here is bedroom 3, 2, again, take your pick. But they are set up very similarly. Take a look at the wood window trim. That's something you don't see very often. If I close the blinds here, maybe you're gonna see a little bit better. But there is window trim all the way around those windows, so that's an added feature.
Another hybrid like walk-in closet. It's a full-size bedroom closet that you walk into.
All right. Hey, I forgot to tell you guys, leave your thoughts, your comments, suggestions, recommendations, what you love about the home, what you would like to see differently in the comment section. We do love to hear your thoughts. It helps us order homes in the future. We want to order what you guys prefer. So tell us what you think.
Big master bedroom. Easily fit a Cal King.
Cal King, no problem. Great size master bedroom. Now let's go in here. After we show you this master bathroom, what we're going to do is we are going to show you the green belt, just to show you the location and the beauty of this community. And then we're going to head over and do another brand new home in this community that is available.
This is Space 86 Sunkist Gardens in the city of Anaheim.
There you go.
You have Disneyland, Angels Baseball, the Honda Center.
A his and her sink. Everybody loves the his and her sink.
Big walk-in closet. You can take a look at myself on how big this closet is good size.
So there you have it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you already haven't done so. Ring that bell. Also, if you want to help out our channel, greatly appreciate it. Smash that like button. And we are going to go to space 174, which is a brand new manufactured home. It's set up a little bit differently, but take a look at this beautiful green belt. It goes the whole length of the community. There's a little dog park. But thank you for watching the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Join Shane and Shane next time.